In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to enable BCWipe Privacy Guard. BCWipe Privacy Guard provides robust protection of your privacy by managing system settings related to data sharing and tracking. There are three options for enabling BCWipe Privacy Guard. Option A, Jetico-Recommended settings. This option boosts your privacy by disabling approximately 80% of tracking and privacy-related settings. Developed by Jetico's own data protection specialists, this configuration is designed to give you a high level of protection without interfering with your normal workflow. To activate, simply toggle the switch next to Use Jetico-Recommended settings. Once enabled, your privacy level will change to high, confirming that your system now follows 100% of Jetico's experts' recommended standards. Option B, Full Privacy. This option ensures the highest possible level of privacy by also disabling microphone, camera, and OneDrive access. To enable full privacy, toggle the switch next to Set Full Privacy. Once activated, BCWipe Privacy Guard will enforce maximum privacy settings immediately. Option C, Customized configuration. This option allows you to customize privacy settings according to your personal preferences and needs. You can manually adjust settings across categories such as Windows permissions, App permissions, Cortana and Search, Microsoft Defender, Microsoft 365 apps, Microsoft Edge, and Windows File Explorer. To enable customized settings, expand each category and manually select or deselect the privacy options according to your preferences. This provides flexibility and granular control over your privacy management. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to enable BCWipe Privacy Guard using Jetico-Recommended settings, full privacy, or a customized configuration. Thank you for watching. We hope you will be satisfied with our software.